What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel RJ Car Review. I'm your boy Ricky. Before we go any further, please make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you guys will get notified when I upload any of my videos, all my videos. All right, show your boy some love, show him some support. So today we are installing BMR low profile jack and rails. I should have done this. This should have been on my top 5 things to do after purchasing my car. It took me a long time. I don't know why. I guess I got accustomed to the ghetto way I was doing it. So let me show you how I used to do it, and I'm going to show you the installation and how the new way I'm going to do this. All right, so this is my old way. Let me set it up. So this is the old way. I would have to drive up the car on bricks so the jack could fit underneath the car with my handy dandy 4x4. And this is the way I've been doing it since I purchased the car. Now going on 2 years, kind of crazy, right? So yeah, I've been getting kind of tired of doing this way. Someone made a comment on my video and said, you know, if you do most of your work yourself, you should install jacking rails. And I kind of said, yeah, you know, you're absolutely right. So boom, right ahead, purchase jacking rails, and no more of this old getaway. But it works. So let me show you what I do. So this old way was really annoying. Gotta make sure that it lines up. And this is a low profile jack. So old way. Yep. I can't wait till the new way to do it. Of course, I got the red one to match the car. That's what I like about the BMR. That they have the option to get red or black. Of course, I gotta get the red. Low profile. Man, these things gonna look nice once I do it. Alright. See how heavy? It would take about 20 pounds, maybe. Damn, adding more weight to the car, man. This thing's gonna be heavier than a Hellcat soon. No, I'm joking. Feel pretty sturdy. Big ass holes for the screws, man, but this like could definitely do the job. Nice. I think it matched my car. Nah, it doesn't match it, but nicely manufactured, so pretty good. All right, let's install it. All right, guys, so this is how you're going to put it on. There's 2 factory bolts. There's 2 here, and there's 2 more down there, and they're both 15 millimeters sockets. So once you have taken these out fully, then you install the jacking rails, and it's pretty easy. It should take you about no longer than half hour. Jacking both sides up, about half hour. All right, guys, all the screws are off. So this is the way we're going to install it. This side is going to be facing down, and this side is going to be against the car. All right, so let's install. Okay, so I have to turn it around. It does have specific sides to put in first. The holes. I was wondering why it wasn't working. One side of the holes is a little bit further than the other, and this one is the closer. Alright, so those are pretty much secured, and let me do the other side, the bottom. All over the ground here. I'm sure you guys can see that. with ease. So this should make a hell of a difference with me jacking the car up. No more 4x4, no more putting on, riding on the bricks first and then jacking it up. All right, so let's get this tightened up, and pretty much it takes about, I would say about what, maybe 5-10 minutes tops to put this in, and then you repeat the same steps on the other side, and that's pretty much it, guys. All right, guys, so now the installation of the BMR ultra lightweights jack and rail is in. One side is done. Let's test it out. All right, so you can see that it flushes. Let me see. Perfect fit, flushes, no more 4x4. Easy installation. Finally, jack and rails. Works out perfect. All right, so this install is a success. Repeat it on the other side. And it's official. The new logo is on the car. Get the phone out of here. Make sure you guys subscribe to that to Instagram. See it. All right, guys, so this is for all the guys out there that's inquiring about my exhaust. Plenty of times when I make videos, I usually have the mic hooked up to towards the back so you guys can hear the sweet sound of this exhaust. Always ask me if my exhaust is stock. My exhaust is bone stock. You see, no H pipe, no X pipe. This resonator delete was done from your local muffler shop. You can see it right there. Almost look like the welds are eventually going to come apart, but until it does, that's when I'll change it. And I do not plan to change this exhaust, maybe years down the line, maybe, because I love the way this exhaust sounds, the way from factory. So for all the ones that's inquiring, there you go, man. Bone stock exhaust. All right, guys, so the ultra lightweight BMR jack and rails are installed. Quick, simple, took about a half hour to do it. No more 4x4, no more brick to raise the car before I jack it up. So real simple, smooth installation. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell icon. Make sure you hit the like button. Please hit the like button. All right, just hit that like button. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Thanks for watching, man. Peace.